my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you're viewing The How To Lady, a channel that offers tips on organization, life hacks, and DIYs. So with that said, today I got a wonderful thing that I'd like to share with you, and it is an instant makeup cleaner. So what happens is when you're putting your wonderful makeup on and you decide, hey, I want to wear yellow eyeshadow, but then you change your mind and decide you want to wear green. Well, you think you have to soil another makeup brush, but you don't, not with this hack. So if you are interested, please stay tuned. We're going to show you how we do that. We hope you find something beneficial. If you do, give us a thumbs up, subscribe below, and without further ado, we are going to knock this out of the park. Hi YouTube friends, and we're back. We're going to make an instant makeup remover. So this is a little DIY that I think is quick, simple, and easy. Here are the things that you need. You will need a jar, preferably a container. Doesn't have to be a jar, but I like the jars because you can see through it. The container that preferably has a lid because I like to protect any type of product that I'm using on my face. I don't want dust and things to accumulate on it, so I like to keep it covered. The other thing you'll need is a scrunchie. One of those scrunchies that you use to do the little donut hairstyles, and you use this as a device to form that donut hairstyle. So the rougher, the better. So you'll need this, and you're gonna take this and you're gonna put it down inside your container, jar, whatever you choose to use, and of course keeping it closed. Well, let's say on that morning you decide you want to wear pink eyeshadow. So there it is, pink eyeshadow is on there, as you can see, put a lot of it. And then all of a sudden you change your mind and you say, nope, I want to wear green eyeshadow. Well, all you have to do is get your little DIY instant makeup remover, move it around a bit, because it really, I think those fibers really get down in there, and it helps get the makeup off of the brush so you won't have to soil another brush. So as you can see, the pink is pretty much gone. Got a little bit more right there, so we're gonna try and wipe again. All right, as you can see, the makeup is gone. Yes. So then you can move on and wear the green eyeshadow that you wanted to wear. But let's say, nope, I changed my mind. I want to do purple because purple is in my outfit. So just roll it around in this little instant makeup remover. And as you can see, the blue is gone. So you can go and select another color. Isn't that cool? Now here is how you can determine whether or not this is working for you. Take your same brush that you used earlier, wipe on a piece of tissue. And as you can see, there is nothing on the tissue because you've removed it with this wonderful DIY instant makeup color remover. Let me know what you think about it. Give us a thumbs up if you like, and don't forget to subscribe. All right?